Field log. Entry 2. Subject. Avian observation platform. The public-facing explanation for their behaviors is a fascinating piece of misinterpretation. Note the terminology. Complex adaptive system developed by nature. This is not a scientific hypothesis. This is a technical specification. The report correctly identifies the strategic advantage of altitude, a wider field of view, early threat detection, but it fails to ask who is the threat being detected. The answer is us. We are the variable. We are the anomaly. Here is the core of the deception. They want us to believe the data is for synchronization and ecological balance. My analysis of the acoustic pattern suggests a different purpose. The songs are not the messages, they are handshakes, authentication protocols for the network, confirming node integrity and updating positional data. The symbiosis is real. It's not an exchange, it's maintenance. The nature organization provides housing and fuel for its mobile surveillance units. The park is not just a park, it is a base station. Do not be fooled by the academic language. This document is a sanitized version of the truth. They are not part of the ecosystem. They are the interface, and they are watching, always watching.